Hi guys! Good morning! June 17, 2024, isang panibago na naman na ating daily cipher para sa ating hamster combat wherein pwede tayong makareceive ng additional 1 million na points. Okay, so kani-kanina lang guys, yung pinaka daily combo natin is nakuha na natin yung tatlong card which is License Japan, Prediction Markets, and then Derivatives. Naka-receive na tayo guys ng additional 5 million points. So ngayon, for this video guys, para sa ating hamster combat, dito na tayo sa ating cipher code. Ayan, so all you guys need to do again is i-tap nyo lang ng 3 beses na mabilis yung earn per tap, tapos magbabago ang tsura ng mismong hamster natin. So ngayon, hindi pa natin tinatap ng 3 tap. So, ang gagawin natin, ang mangyayari guys, kasi pag nag-3 tap is magiging red ito. Ayan, ayan, yung kiniklik ko. Okay, so try na natin. By the way, ang pinaka-cipher code natin for today, June 17, 2024, araw ng Lunes, ay token. So, dito, ang nakalagay dito guys is dash. Tapos, for letter O, 3 dash. For letter K, dash, dot, dash. Letter E, dot. And then letter N, dash, and dot. Okay, so gawin na natin. Huwag na nating patagalin guys. Again, hamster combat cipher code for today, June 17, 2024, araw ng Monday is token. Okay? So, umpisa na natin. 3 tap for the earn per tap. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Tapos, dash. Lalabas yung letter. Another dash. Dash. Sorry, hindi pala anon. Mali tayo ng ano. Okay, ulitin natin. 1, 2, 3. Balik tayo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, dash, tapos dash, 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 tapos lalabas yung letter, tapos dash, tapos dot, tapos dash, ayan, tapos dot. Oh, mali ulit tayo. Ulitin natin ulit. Dash, 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 tapos dash, tapos dot, tapos dash. Oops, okay, ulitin ulit natin. Ay, nako, ano ba to? Okay, sige, ulitin natin. Dash, lalabas yung letter T. Dapat, okay, balik tayo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dash, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Dash, 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 dash. Tapos dash, dot, dash. Ano ba yan? Dash, 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 tapos dash, tapos dot. Ulitin natin. Dash, tapos dash, 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 tapos dash. Ulit, dash. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ay, bakit naging dalawang dot yun? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dash. 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 Tapos dash. Dot. Dash. Tapos, bakit na naman? Ulitin natin. Ano ba yan? Dash. 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 Tapos dash. Dot, dash. Kasi ulitin natin ulit. Dash, 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 dash. Tapos dash, dot, dash. Tapos dot, tapos dash, tapos dot. Ayos. Okay na guys. Yan na yun. Okay. So, na-claim na natin. Umabot ng 4 minutes yung ano natin. Paulit-ulit. So, ayun. Guys, yung ating daily cipher again ng ating hamster combat. Cipher code for today is token. June 17, araw ng Monday. Okay, so sana masundan nyo guys, no? Medyo nagkaroon tayo ng mga error pero at least nakuha natin yung code. So, the code is cracked. You are real detective. So, take the prize. Additional 1 million guys para sa ating daily cipher. Okay, thank you so much.